Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I made the last video, and I thought the perfect video to get this back on track would be to give update, maybe like an update for what I've done in the last more than a year since I last uploaded. The plan is to upload more regularly now and hopefully use the work from home scenario and the entire lockdown to my advantage. I know I'm a little too late with, maybe school starting very soon. I am a little too late, but the year was not good for any of us. So we have been busy. And I thought I will start my coming back videos with something known as the Gyani Gurwar IMO. So I am really excited about the Gyani Gurwar. So Gyani Gurwar is going to be a series wherein I'm going to give you my opinion, that is why the IMO. About certain things, like it could be a very random topic. I would also be asking for suggestions from you. You can leave it in the comments section and let me know what is it that you want me to talk about. This is generally something that I would do with my students in class. However, in the virtual school setup, it's very difficult to try and finish the matter at hand, and we hardly get time to interact and to talk about these things. So I thought this is a good opportunity to talk about these things which make a difference probably somewhere, and even if maybe 5 or 6 of you can relate to the issues that I have faced, or maybe you are facing, and I can give my opinion on, I think that really solves the problem and serves the purpose. So for today, the topic that I have chosen is obviously virtual school. For the last entire year and more than a year now, we have moved to the virtual school setup wherein students have been just learning online. Now, there are obviously pros and cons for both parties, like the teachers as well as the students, but there have been more cons than ever before. So, everyone sitting back at home is definitely wanting to come back to school, and we teachers are also obviously not very happy with this. It's not just because things were difficult, it's not just because it has become more hectic, it's not just because our working hours are crazy now. It is because we miss the connect, the human connection that we had, and the endless discussions that would happen in and out of classroom. So that is the one major change that I thought had happened in the last year for students and teachers. Besides, of course, the obvious of having COVID around us. Many of us battling with COVID back home, where you yourself or your near and dear ones have been patients. Some of us having lost our family members. Of course, the year was not easy. But we have not given enough credit to the batch of 2020-21, the one that has just passed out of school, the ones whose board exams were cancelled, the batch that continued to study for the entire year, hoping to probably make something out of this online year, but in the end they were told the exams are also not happening. Again, most of the students were very happy with this decision because they just wanted a decision to come through. So I thought the perfect way to start this small session for today would be by sharing a poem that I had written for my students for this batch. I was a class teacher for a grade 10 class, and this is dedicated to all of you one more time, not just my students but all the students who have missed the year in school. So you'll have to excuse me, I will be reading it out from my book. But I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope you like it, and this is dedicated to all the students who did not know that their last year of school is going to be spent at home. The poem is called The One Where They All Stayed Home. It's a story that's never been told. If it was a book, 1,000,000 copies would be sold. It feels like it was yesterday, but it's actually a year old, for it was the one where they all stayed home. You had plans and you had hope, but 2020 had been a downward slope. Grade 10 was the highlight of school. To have fun in class would have been so cool. With your friends and your teachers in class. But now time's running out in this hourglass. The ID card is gathering dust. Your lockers in school have found some rust. Fitting in your uniform is a task. Now you have to worry about finding a mask. The lifts in school miss the chaos. Your turf is probably covered in moss. And the classrooms cry alone as if this is their loss. The dusters in class want to be thrown around. The library misses the whispering sound. There's no one to complain about something lost and found. We look back as our memories surround. The labs miss the chattering, the breaking of beakers, the canteen's catering, and the auditorium speakers. Going to the coordinator with puppy dog eyes. Your teachers almost always caught your lies. Looking back, I realize how time flies. We thought we'd meet you again, but those were lies. We have fought the hardest battle this year. We are all survivors. Say that out loud and clear. For you, we are always here. We may be sitting far apart, but in our hearts we are near. Words can't do justice to what we feel. We are all suffering and waiting for this to heal. As on the threshold of a bright future you kneel, our best wishes are with you, so you can chill. Batch of 2021, you will always be missed. Do visit your school sometimes as around the city you roam. For this was the year when we all stayed home. So I'm really hoping that this year brings out more positivity for you. Most of you have already started your next academic year, and virtual school was definitely not easy. There's a lot that I can still talk about. I can tell you about all the challenges that this batch particularly faced, you guys faced. For all the parents watching this, I'm sure things were not easy for you. This was probably the hardest year of our life, and hopefully we are never going to see something like this ever again. So we will always be known as the COVID batch. Some of us have read about memes, have heard these jokes about how this batch is going to pass out and we'll have like a batch of maybe people who don't know anything about anything. But believe me, that's not the case. We have all fought really hard. Some of you have actually spent the entire year with your books. It was more difficult for students, definitely, because we as adults at least have had the power to make our decisions. We have been able to connect with our friends. We could take a chance and go out and meet them, but for you, this was not possible. For most of you, I'm sure your parents were very protective, have kept you back at home. The only friends you probably met were the ones who live in and around your area. You never knew you would probably not come back to your classroom again. The writing of the messages on the t-shirt, that's one thing that you'll never get to do. Your annual school trips, again something that you'll probably never get. But I am sure the memory of this year stays with you forever, and I think that's the takeaway for this year. At the same time, I want to talk to the students who are going to continue with the online setup this year. Please take a leaf from your seniors and understand how the year affected them, understand how they could have maybe made things better. Listen to your teachers, not just in class, but please feel free to connect. I am sure teachers all around the world are actually trying to be there for you as much as we all are trying to do the same. So for anyone who has been a student for me or is a student anywhere in any corner of the world, if there's anything that you need to talk to about you can just obviously get in touch with your teachers, or if there's a topic that you would want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will try and take as many topics as possible which are relatable for you and for others also in my next Gyani Guruvar series. Hopefully trying to keep up my promise and upload as much as I can. So that's it from my end. Just stay safe. Ensure that the new variants of COVID are not getting to you in any way. Sanitizers are your best friends right now. Masks are definitely needed. If you are taking holidays, I won't say don't do it because the entire country is doing that right now. But please ensure that you are safe. You may just be an asymptomatic carrier, but you may take the virus back home and affect someone who may not be able to take it as easy as you probably. I can say that from my own experience. I was detected with COVID and I managed to sail out of it very smoothly, but not the people in my family. So be safe. And on that note, just a small reminder, please share and subscribe to the channel. You would want to know more about what is happening and what are the things that are coming up. Leave a comment and I will definitely reply. So I will link my Instagram handle in the description below, so you can follow me there as well. And hopefully we'll get to meet soon in the physical setup. Until then, lots of love and stay safe everyone. Bye.